Hey there, and welcome back to Cosmic Crypto. In this video, we're going to be talking about Ravencoin RVN. Let's go. Okay, welcome back to the channel. It's been a while. Been busy during the holidays, but I'm back now, and we're looking at Ravencoin. Okay, well, let's get the good news out of the way. Good news is we've got some bullish divergence showing up here. So we've got this, the price action's falling here, but the RSI is moving to the upside. So that could be telling us some good news is happening, some move to the upside. We also have divergence down here on the trend directional and a couple of green dots pointing in that direction. So that's always good. I think in the last video I did for Ravencoin, it was this pink line here was the line in the sand. I said when we break below that, it's not a good sign. And actually, let me move out to the monthly time frame here. So yeah, so we broke below that, which had been holding as support, as you saw here, and it was resistance back here. And then once we broke above it, we had the massive move to the upside. Well, then once we broke below that again, which we did in this candle right here, which was the month of November, I said expect us to get further downside. We did. And honestly, on the monthly time frame, it's really not looking that great, to tell you the truth. We are not only below the pink line in the sand that I had, we fell down. So from that pink line, we had fallen down roughly 22%. And now, if you know anything about these triangle patterns, we're outside the triangle and we're doing a retest. So we fell through the triangle and now we're doing a retest to the upside, which we could see, you know, the price get inside this triangle and then get rejected off of this pink line again, right around just over 2 cents, 0.23, get rejected off of that line again, and then have a wick come back down out of there. And then, I mean, I don't expect us to fall too far because it's really not that far to fall. You know, this is not looking very good in my opinion. But there is still a chance. So, you know, coins usually move with the rest of the market. And if the rest of the market starts to see some upside, I'm already starting to see some coins move up, like Jasmine coin is up 7% today, but it's been up like, I think 20% in the last week or so, maybe even more. ICP's been going up. Certain coins are starting to move a little bit, not much. You know, maybe this is just New Year's excitement getting into the crypto market. You never know. But, you know, so, I mean, if the rest of the market starts moving to the upside, I do believe that Ravencoin's going to follow. But right now, the price action is not looking good. If you follow any of my videos, especially with trend lines, I always talk about that gap. There's this massive gap right here on the monthly time frame for Ravencoin. We did have that massive wick go up during the Ethereum merge over here, but as you can see, we're not really even retesting the top side, and unfortunately, we're not just not retesting the top side. We're now testing the bottom side, like underneath it. So, you know, we're underneath this line here. So we really need to get, what am I on the monthly? We need to get a weekly candle. Easily get a weekly candle. It can't be anything less. Even a daily candle, I don't expect it to be anything good. But we, you know, on the weekly, we do got a green dot on the weekly. RSI is kind of flatlined right here around 36. So we do need to get that weekly candle close inside of this triangle again, and preferably, I mean, honestly, even in this area right here, it's got to get above that 0.23 section right here. It's got to get above there for me to have any kind of hope for a move to finally get this breakout here. But the triangle pattern is still playing out. It's still playing out. It's just not playing out the way that the bulls would hope it, you know, would. Let me check here. I'm on the weekly. Do we have a divergence? We do not have a divergence. It's close, but not there. Anyway, it's kind of all I've got for Ravencoin. It's really unfortunate that we got out of this area here. Let's see if I see any patterns here. I mean, really, what we might have had was a bear flag. You know, come down right here, flag, breakdown. Which, I mean, if that bear flag played out to the target, that would put us down. Let's just go right there, roughly around just over 1 cent. So that's another, from where we're at right now, that's another 32% move to the downside, if that plays out like that. But as you can see on the daily here, you can see that we were trying to hold it right here. We finally fell through, and now we're getting on the daily a retest, and we cannot get above that blue line right there. So just pay attention to that. Again, we really got to get above this pink line for me to begin to even get bullish on Ravencoin at all. Otherwise, you know, downwards is the only thing I can see for right now, which is unfortunate. So sorry for the bad news for the bulls. If you're a bear, congratulations, I guess. Nobody likes the bears, but congratulations. And yeah, if you like this update, you may not like the video, but if you like the update, please like and subscribe and all that other stuff. Really appreciate your time, and I'll talk to you later.